Hi, hello everyone. This is RK. Welcome back to my channel Byte Code with RK. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For notifications, click on bell icon. If you have any queries on the current session, please comment below. I will try to clarify your doubt. Let us see one of the most important concepts of the Java, that is the option class. For now, we will discuss method of option class.
The next method is off method. So which is used to which will return the option object with the specified present or non-null values. Okay, it returns non-null values. So it creates the optional object from the non-null values using the static factory method off method. Okay, generally it return optional object from non from null values using static factory method factory of off method. So what does it mean? Means it returns the optional object. Okay, it returns the option object from the non-null values, which means it will handle non-null situation only. Null situations it will not handle it. If you are sure that the object returns only non-null values, then you will use the off method. Okay, that's why it was returning the option object from the non-null values. So which means it is so damn sure that option class is returning non-null values only. It doesn't return anything. So how we will handle static factory method of option class, that is off method. Okay, we will handle that non-null values using off method of the option class. Okay, so let me write. So optional of string, okay, of equal to here optional null dot off method, and I am passing some string. Welcome to Java. Okay, so what I'm doing, it returns the optional object from the non-null value using static method. So I have created an option class of object that is of object, and it is of type string. So what I'm doing, I'm returning the non-null values. Here I have some value, right? So I am passing value. I am having some value of in option method. So using a static factory method, that is off is the static method of the optional class. So that's why static factory method. This one is off is the static factory method, and it was taking non-null values. So office is used to handle the non-null values. Okay, let me write here only. Used if you are sure that the object must return non-null values. Okay. So if you are sure that the object is returning non-null values only, then we will use the option dot of static method. So here I have welcome to Java is the string I have in off method. So it was returning some value. So you must return some value if you are using off method of the option class. Okay. So it was returning some value. Okay. I'm printing this one. So optional off method get. So what I'm doing, I'm using get direct. Here I'm using get directly, which means so I'm sure about the I'm sure that the optional off method is returning the some value without returning null value. Okay, without returning null value. So that's why I'm directly calling the get method. Otherwise, I should check the condition whether it is returning true or false using if present or is present methods. So we will see if present is present values in, we'll see those methods. Okay, so now I am trying to run this one. Let me run this one. You see optional dot of method returns welcome to Java. Okay, this is with the wrapper type option types. Okay. So now let's see option class with custom types. Okay. So option class with custom types. Let's create the option class with custom types for the off static method. So I'm creating option class and it is of type list. Having which takes string. So I have created an option class and it use return type is list of strings. Okay, it returns list of strings. Okay, custom of okay equal to. So what I'm doing, I'm using of method of the custom. Using of static method of the option class, I am trying to get the list of strings. What I am getting, I am trying to get the list of players names. Okay, here. So for that, I have created a players class. So a players class having list of states, that is number name runs 4 6s and matches. Okay. So this having a constructor set gets two string all this kind of details in this player class, and I have created one more class called data source, and it's having a get data method which returns list of players, and it is a static method. So inside the get method, I have created list of players object, and I am adding couple of players to the players object, and I am directly returning the players object. Okay. So this is about the data source class and player object. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am trying to get the list of player names from using data source dot get data method, which internally uses players class. Okay. So let me get the data from the data source class. Data source dot get data, and I want to get only the players names, right? So I'm applying string to it, and then I'm applying map also. Players column get name. After getting the data, my return type optional return type is list of string, right? So I am trying to collect the data using collect method, and I am using a static factory method, static method of the characters class, that is toList. Okay. So what I did here is I am checking the option class of method with the custom types. Okay. So I have created an option class which returns list of strings. Okay. So I have created an object of the option class that is cust and I am checking the option class of method with the custom types, right? That's why I'm using optional dot of method. So inside the of method, I have a data source dot get data, which will return list of players. So this is a custom type. I have a players class, and I have data source class which contains list get data method which returns list of players. Okay, using players class object. Okay, so up to this I will get the data from the data source get data. I'm getting list of players. I am applying stream to it. If you are new to the stream API, please go through my previous video so that you will get some idea on it. So which is very useful for understanding stuff the things in the Java. Okay, so I am applying stream to it, and then I am applying map to it. So map, why am I doing this? I am doing the transformation till now till this data source get data dot stream. I will get only the each player object details, but I don't want the object of the each player. I want to get the names of the each player, so that I am doing the transformation using map. Players dot get name is used to get only the names from the each player object. Okay, and I am using collect method to collect the data, and inside the collect method I am using collectors dot toList. ToList is the static method of the collectors class. So I am collecting the data and moving the data to the list. So that's why it was returning list of strings. Okay, so let me system dot out dot println custom of method dot get Before that, I would like to run this one. Let me run this one. So if you see optional, which returns a list of players. Okay, so all the players names it is returning. You can apply get method also, because of is the method which must return some value. That case only we will use the of method, static method of the option class. If option that we can also use the get method instead of to avoid this optional thing. Okay, get is used to get the data. Let me run again. You see, I got the list of players. Okay, all the players names I got. Okay, using the custom object of method.
That's all about off method of option class with wrapper and custom types along with the example on each type. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. For notifications, click on bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, X and Facebook. See you in the next session with the new topic. Thank you.